Hello Year 6, welcome to your remote RE lesson for this week. Today we're thinking about Christian journeys. If you remember last week we thought about your journey and the twists and turns that you might take in your lifetime. But today we're focusing on Christians. We've got some key vocabulary for this unit: journey, pilgrimage, rites of passage and Holy Land. Today we're going to be thinking particularly about rites of passage. We're also going to be thinking about what does it mean to make a journey as a Christian. So let's get thinking. Who are these people? Have a good look at them. I'm sure they're all recognisable faces. How many out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 can you name? Did you spot Stormzy, Usain Bolt, Bear Grylls? Good. So, what do you think all of those celebrities have in common? They were quite a mixed bunch, from sports people to singing stars and actors. If you guessed they're all Christians, you would be perfectly right. Well done. But hold that thought now, because we're going to go back and think about rites of passage. We did speak a little bit about rites of passage last week, and we thought about what are common rites of passage. Think again for a moment. What might be a rite of passage in somebody's life? Well, a rite of passage is a stage that a person often goes through before the next stage of their lives. And here's a clue. Leaving primary and secondary school is a rite of passage. How many rites of passage can you name now? Pause the video and jot down some of your own ideas. Okay, so here are some common rites of passage. You might get married, you might have an 18th or a 21st birthday party. You might have a birth ceremony. It might be something like a christening or baptism. It might be a naming ceremony. It might be a welcome into the faith ceremony. You might have a prom at the end of year 6, maybe at the end of your time in high school. Passing your driving test is a rite of passage. Going to your first funeral, sadly, and having your own funeral. They are again rites of passage. I'd like you now to click on the link below and have a look at a little bit more information about how Christians celebrate big life changes. Okay everybody, it's action time now, and here are your tasks for today. Number 1, can you identify these Christian rites of passages from the 3 pictures you can see here? You might need to look carefully at the second picture, which is showing a bishop. There's your clue. The 4th picture there is for you to insert. It is a word beginning with W, 7 letters, and it is a Christian rite of passage. Task 2 is to import 4 images into the boxes of how you think a Christian would put their faith into action. If you were in class, this would be a paper and pencil activity and you'd be drawing and writing. Much more fun to do it at home and find some images. I think it would be useful for you to just label the images too, just in case I can't work out what it is that you're expecting me to see. Here's another clue for you. If you're starting to struggle and think, oh, how would a Christian put their faith into action? You can have a think. Mrs. Smith always wears something around her neck which is a symbol of her Christian faith. Wonder what that could be. Second off, something that we do every day in school, to show that we're Christians. I wonder what you can work out, something that we have, something that we do regularly in school, and perhaps you can find a really good image that says exactly what it is. Last slide coming up. Here we go. Okay, we've got the lovely Bear Grylls here, and he's going to be talking on the clip that you can see about his Christian faith and how his Christian faith has helped him in some of the aspects of his life. Also, I would like to pose a final question to you. Is it easy to be a Christian? And the link just around here for me. Oh, other side. No, got it. Have I? No, can't point in the right direction. But anyway, the link that you can see leads you to a page which has got some interesting ideas about some of the challenges a Christian might face in their everyday lives. So that's enough from me. I hope you enjoyed today's tasks. I hope you have a really good 2 weeks in self-isolation. I hope you keep well. Take care, everybody. See you in school again soon. Bye.